In this video, I will show you how to get cashback from Rakuten. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Get started, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is have an account with Rakuten. So if you don't have an account currently, if you look in the description underneath this video and also in the pinned comment, you will find a link to click. And if you click onto that link, you can follow the steps to set up your account with Rakuten. Once you've done that, cashback itself is actually paid by PayPal and bank transfer. And this is real money that goes into your account. Once you've signed up for your account using the link below, what you need to do is come across to Rakuten and log in with your account. Once you're logged in, if you scroll down, you're going to see all the different brands currently offering cashback. You can see we got some big name brands here, for example, like Currys, Argos, eBay, ASOS. And there's just a ton of different shops and brands in different sort of categories. For example, you've got like takeaways as well, like Just Eat, HelloFresh, so food delivery boxes. So as you can see, there's a lot of different ones. Now, to actually get your cashback, all you need to do, say for example, we wanted to shop on eBay, then you would click onto eBay from Rakuten. And what that's going to do is take you across to eBay. As you can see, it says 11% cashback activated at eBay. What you would do is just go through and shop as normal on eBay. So let's just go ahead and shop as normal. So what I've done, I've added something to my basket and we're just going to go to the checkout screen. Now, when you actually go to the checkout screen, as mentioned, you would just go ahead and continue as normal. So I'm just going to sign into my account. And all you would do is just simply go through the steps. So you would check out with, for example, on eBay or Just Eat or basically whatever you're using. Once that's done, you'll be able to go and confirm your cashback, and that's going to be credited to your PayPal or bank transfer, depending on what method you've chosen to get your cashback through. So that is how to get cashback on Rakuten. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. That being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.